lecture of Lux tutorial. Now, in the previous lecture, we have already discussed about the different methods of factorization that was there in class 9 syllabus. We have already discussed the first method, that it is basically taking the common terms. The second one is grouping of terms. The third one is the difference of 2 square, and the fourth one is the middle term factorization. Today in our lecture we are going to discuss about the fifth method, that is the difference of two cubes. Now let us discuss about the fifth method of factorization, that is sum or difference of the two cubes. But before discussing about this method, if you haven't watched the previous videos of factorization, you can easily get the links of those previous videos in the description box. So go there, watch the previous video and then come back to this video for understanding the topic better. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified each and every time whenever we are uploading a new video on a different topic of mathematics. So let us start with this video. Now let us understand what does the sum or difference of two cubes mean. The sum or difference basically means either we are writing a cube plus b cube, that means the sum of these two cubes, or we are writing a cube minus b cube, that means the difference of these two cubes. Now the formula, we already know the formula, that is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, that is for the sum over there. The next thing is a cube minus b cube, the formula is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, so this is the formula of the difference over there. So the formula is pretty much easy. Let us see how we can apply these formulas in different type of questions. So let us start with some questions over here. Now let us understand this question. Now this question is basically 64x cube minus 125y cube. So we are basically getting a negative sign. So the first thing that comes in our mind is that we will apply the formula of a cube minus b cube over here. So since we already got a pretty much idea about which formula to apply over here, then the next thing is to understand whether they are in the form or not. So if you just see over here, this is 64x cube. Now we can easily express this 64 as a perfect cube over here. How? Let us see. So let us start with the solution over here. So 64 we already know this is 4 cube and x cube will remain as it is. Similarly 125 is 5 cube and y cube remain as it is. That means we can easily write this entire thing as 4x whole cube minus 5y whole cube. So this is basically a cube minus b cube form. Now we already remember the formula, that is a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So let us apply that formula. This is a minus b, a square plus a b plus b square. So this is the part that we are getting. So basically we are getting a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Now if we have already understood this entire portion, we can easily simplify this one, that is 4x whole square. We can simplify this one also, that means 5y whole square, and we can simplify this part also. So let us do this part. So this 4x minus 5y will remain as it is, and this 4x square will be 16x square plus 20xy plus 25y square. So this is your answer. I hope you understood how we applied the formula of a cube minus b cube over here. And before applying the formula, we just need to bring these terms in the form, and then we can easily apply the formula. Let us see one more question over here to easily understand the next formula, that is a cube plus b cube over here. Now let us understand this question. The question, see in this question we are getting a plus sign over here. So we can easily understand that where we have to apply a cube plus b cube form over here. So let us apply the formula of a cube plus b cube. But before applying the formula, we must bring this in the form over there. So how to bring this one? First let us think about 343. Can 343 be expressed as a perfect cube? Yes, we can express 343 as a perfect cube. 343 is basically 7 cube over here. So we are expressing this as x square whole cube. Basically 6 can be written as x square whole cube, and then this 343 will be 7 cube. Similarly, this 343, as we have already discussed, is 7 cube, and this one is x square whole cube over here. So what is the next step? The next step is to bring them in whole square form. That means we are basically writing as x square by 7 whole cube plus 7 by x square whole cube. So this becomes a cube plus b cube form. So when we are easily getting a cube plus b cube form, we can easily apply the formula of a cube plus b cube, and the formula is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So let us apply the formula. So we are basically getting a plus b, then a square minus a b. Let me put this inside the bracket and let me change this into third bracket. Then plus b whole square and a third bracket. So this we have already expressed as a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So this we are basically getting in the form. So what is the next step? The next step is to simplify this a square and to simplify this b square and to simplify the ab part. So let us do that. But before going to the next step, we can see that x square and x square can be cancelled, and similarly 7 and 7 can be easily cancelled. So this term, that is x square by 7 plus 7 by x square, will remain as it is, and this one will become x to the power 4 by 49 minus 1 plus 49 by x to the power 4. So we got this as the answer. I hope you understood this question pretty much well. The previous example was a cube minus b cube. This example is a cube plus b cube. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss few more questions based on this topic. We are going to discuss about the different type of questions that you might get in this type of factorization. So students, let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.